Welcome back guys, and if in Samsung mobile you are playing any game just like Free Fire or anything and you are facing gyro related problems, means suppose you are playing this and see this you can see here, this is working very smooth and no problem in any direction. Angular velocity, angular tilt is there. So if you are not if you are not finding your mobile in good gyro position, means your gyro sensors are not working properly, then in that case what you need to check, just go to the quickly you go to the dialer pad and then star has 0 star has, and now here go to the sensors and here gyroscope sensors are there, gyroscope sensors, just gyro self test, do it, and here just wait, all are pass, means my mobile is working, gyro sensors are working very good. You need to check, and if you are finding any problem you can see my video that is this video. I will show you BGMI Gyro Delay Fixed. You can fix gyro delays. I have made 2-3 videos and you can go and check it now. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you are finding any gyro delays in your mobile, then you can check your Samsung mobile and you can fix it by watching those videos also. That's all. Thank you very much.